Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, August the 7th. So guys, in today's video, like I promised, I was going to do a living room tour along with a dining room tour because as you know, the dining room and the living room is kind of conjoined together. However, you can distinguish what part is what part. So in this video, I'm basically going to be like describing or telling you where things came from. Most of the things have came from the old house, and some of the things have been newly thrifted or were given to me or even DIY. So I hope you guys can take something away from this video. Remember to leave your comments, in the comment section. Like, share if you like. If you don't like, you can do that as well. And also, I'm going to actually I'm going to put a card in this video of how the room looked before. And then I'm going to also do a new video, guys, so you can see a before and after transformation of the space. So I'm just going to open up the front door. I'm going to start from outside in the front, and I'm going to walk you guys through, and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others, and this world will be a much better place. I'll give you guys a OOTD probably in the tour when I run past a mirror or something. So yeah, and thank you guys for being here, okay? I really appreciate you all, and I appreciate your kind and warm and gentle comments. Bye, guys. All right, guys, we are standing outside the front door, and this is what you're going to see on both sides. Those two lights and this beautiful home sweet home sign. So let's get into the tour. Let's open up the front door, y'all. Let's open the door. So as you come into the space, let's lighten it up, y'all. As you come into the space, you're going to come here. We're going to shut this door and we're going to open up the blinds. You're going to come into this beautiful space. We're going to come into this beautiful space, as you can see, and right here is where we came from. And so this is the front door. Like I told you guys, you can actually see through the door. There is a blind on the door with a pair of, hold on guys, with a pair of sheer curtains, like so. And on this wall here, there is nothing there. That is actually the door stopper for the doorknob behind the door. And yeah, guys, let's get into it. So when you come in, like I said, you're coming to this section here. So over here, I have my Monstera Swiss cheese plant, as you guys call it. I have my beautiful lamp here, as you guys remember, that was in the last video that I scored from Savers. We're going to turn this off because I don't think we need it. So there we go. We have that there. So there is nothing on that wall there. And we have my big, beautiful white and gray rug, which I absolutely love. And like I said, there is nothing on the wall here. We have our beautiful drapes that are grommet that were from the old house as well. As you can see, they are grommets. And we have a nice big picture like bay window with the sliding windows. I have all my beautiful plants here. And guys, well, I have some of them here, not all of them. So I was able to put the three, and this is the style that I was going for. This is off of another pot, but I was able to put it with this. It's a new stand with that last pot from the old house, and I kept saying I didn't know where to put it, so I put it there. And these are the three plant choices that I went with. I love the fact that they are wicker, wood, and metal, and they all have like the color scheme, the grays and whites, and so on. So down here, guys, this is painted in the inside. I took the bowl out of there because I said I could leave it open, so I didn't really do anything with that yet, which is okay. And guys, if you're wondering, on the walls, it is repost gray. So over here on this wall, if you guys remember, this was in the dining room, I have here my walls metal sconce that I spray painted all gold. What a beautiful, beautiful piece that captures your eye when you come in. I just wanted a focal point over here, and it worked for me. That really worked for me. And then over here we have our couch here that you guys remember. And what I did was I lessened the pillows. I chose to go with the light grays in here to go along with the gray and the gray flower pot and just the gray hue on the wall. Here I have my lovely gray pillow. You guys remember me thrifting from West Elm. It has like nail head trim on it, and it goes with the dining room chairs. And over here, guys, is my beautiful window treatments, my belly blinds with my other matching curtains here that goes with the curtains there. So guys, here is the curtain panel that I thrifted when I showed you the Goodwill haul tour recently. This is where I decided to choose to hang my curtain, for the simple fact, when I have the blinds, I like to leave my blinds open, so when they're open, if somebody's standing outside or anything, or neighbor or anything, they can't see in. So that's what I absolutely love. So everything here was chosen to be very functional space, open concept, to house company and to feel fresh and have the room feeling fresh and airy. So over here, I chose to put my rather large leaf, y'all. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I chose to put her here. This is one of the fiddle leaf figs. I chose to put her here because she just really looks nice right there. And then here is the old buffet, guys, right here. And I did lighten her up. So as you can see, she has like a little distressed look here. And now we have a really nice plant here. It's not real, but this is absolutely beautiful. This is thrifted, and this is absolutely new too. I just didn't show it to you guys. So yeah, I went with a white orchid with a gray pretty ceramic pot. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Warms up the space. I didn't have anything there, then I said, you know what, that'll be a perfect spot to actually house it. So over here, guys, I have my old candle that I DIY'd, and guys, you need to check that video out. Hint, hint. Have a nice wood candle holder here where I put that. And then this is new, guys. This is actually a Goodwill find, and it is actually all wood all over. The whole thing is wood. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a nice big statement piece. I didn't want to do too much. And then we have our TV here, as you guys remember from the old house. Then over here, we have our really nice pendant light that you guys remember from the old house. So we basically just unhooked it, and Mark hung it up. So that's what that looks like. And then I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the whole, everything. So over here, guys, I have housed my Dracaena. The large Dracaena that was in the dining room of the old house. I put her here. I think she looks absolutely amazing right here. Guys, it's a little too much light, so I'm gonna try to bring it down a little bit. So yeah, that is where I staged her right here in front of this beautiful window so she can get much needed light. And then over here, and guys, if you can tell, I have a lot of space over here to walk through. So over here, guys, I went with my little bar. Well, not really little. She's kind of large on wheels like so. And I can move her around wherever I want. I don't have her too close to the wall because I didn't want to be doing overkill. And I just have my little beautiful glasses that I hauled from Goodwill before. And I have these I hauled from Goodwill before. And I have my coasters, my wine opener, and my beautiful Z Gallery inspired, well, not inspired, I think it is from Z Gallery, glass here. So that's what that is. And then over here, I hung my beautiful artwork that I created on my own. And it looks absolutely amazing sitting all over here by herself. So guys, even though there's no blue in this room, I will be going over this probably with a very, very light gray. Probably, it's gonna be darker than the repost gray. So it's gonna be a shade above this and a shade in between this. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do over here. So I'm gonna walk you guys around. And over here, we have our beautiful, beautiful mirror that my daughter gave us before we end up moving here. And yeah, absolutely amazing, y'all, right? I know. And then I housed my beautiful croton plant here. It is actually on in a black pot with gold legs, which I absolutely love. It looks really nice up against on the floor with the mirror. And then, guys, here is the dining room table. Yes, with a newbie. So right here, guys, is one of my newly thrifted items. This is actually an item from Target, as you can see, and it was $6.99. If you can see that there, $6.99, absolutely beautiful. And if you guys can see here, it tells you that it is from Target. So guys, I absolutely love this piece. It's absolutely beautiful. Do you guys get a good look at how large that is? Beautiful piece. So you guys remember my chairs that we picked up from a suburb area, like not too far from the old house. And guys, remember I did all the nail head trim to the chairs myself. And like I said, the nail head trim goes with the pillow right here on the couch, which I absolutely love. And guys, what I did was I incorporated the gold champagne pillows and a gray one here and a gold one here, just to give it a different look. But I think it looks absolutely amazing. And look how much space we have here. Look how much space we have. So I'm going to give you guys a pan around. Isn't that beautiful? Was that everything you guys been waiting for? If you're wondering, I'm going to show you OOTD. So guys, yeah, I hope you are inspired to live very simple. So here is my outfit of the day, y'all. My black, what are these? Lucky Brand mules. And I just have on some white tailored dress pants and one of my shirts that has the beautiful sleeves. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the video. So let's just go back over here, guys. So here is how it looks from over here in this corner. Do you see the openingness of the room? The vibe of the room, guys, with the warm tones, the woods, the plants, and all that. And that is how this looks in this area. Look at all the space, y'all. All of the space. And then over here, I must have forgot. I did go with these curtains here because they are like a linen texture, but they are a little bit darker, but they're absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Get a good look at them. They're really like linen. They're real linen fabric. So yeah, I chose to go with that. So that blends with this one, and then these two blend with those two there. So yeah, guys, let me know, what do you think about the living room, dining room, house tour? Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the color choices, the layout, and all that good stuff. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I do not think I will be doing anything else to this room. So what you see today is how it's probably going to be for a long, long time. I am deciding on another couch. We'll go about that in another video, but today was just a house tour and the living room. I mean, the dining room tour and the living room tour. So I'm just going to give you guys a pan around again of the room. That's this wall here that I told you we were going to do that. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Y'all, I inspire myself sometimes. I really, really do. I really hope you guys take something away from this, how you can make a space beautiful, functioning for lots of things. Keep your floors airy, keep everything to a minimum. You don't want someone coming into your space and there's stuff everywhere. You know, you can't move, you have to move stuff around. I did not want that for this. I'm going to stand back here in the hallway, and this is what you see. In this room, like I said, is very large. So guys, be on the lookout for a video of a whole house tour. So I'm just going back around again to show you guys everything so you can get a good look and a good feel of how the space is. Look at that beautiful artwork. Look at that. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's go around again. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video and tour. And don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others. And this world will be a much better place. I love you guys. Until next time.